Hello students, welcome to my online class. Myself Firoz Sheikh, and today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 12, Exponent and Powers. So this chapter already you have gone through in class 7, so we will do some recaps initially and then we will talk about some facts and laws about exponents and then we will go for the exercise and all. Suppose if I express a number, suppose if I write like this, what does it mean? What does it represents? How you will call this one? We will say that 10 raised to the power 3. Here, this number is known as what? Base. And this number is known as what? Known as what? Exponent. Okay. So till now we have discussed about positive exponents and all. Now in this chapter we will discuss about negative exponent. For example, if a number is written like this. Achha, before that I will want to say that 10 raised to the power 3 means what? It will be 3 times 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, this is equal to 1000. Very simple. If I write suppose 2 to the power 4 means 2 raised to the power 4, it will be written as like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, it is 16. So it will be equal to 16. Is that clear? It's very simple. Now when we talk about, suppose if I talk about 2 to the power minus 4, then what you will write? See, we have one law is there in exponent. If a to the power minus m is written, it is expressed like this: a to 1 by a to the power m. It means if it is 2 to the minus 4 is there, it means 1 by 2 to the power 4. It means 1 by, now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like this. So it is equal to 1 by 16. So whenever if you get a exponent which is having negative number, it will come to 1 by like this. A to the power m is any non-zero integers. Okay, a to the power minus m is a raised to the power minus m equal to 1 by a raised to the power m. Okay, so in this way, or whenever you get the number like this 1 by a to the power m, you can write a to the power minus m. Now let's talk about some laws of exponent. Laws of exponents. Okay, one number, if a to the power m into a to the power n is there, then the result will be a. When the base is same, their powers are added up. Example, suppose you want to write like this: 2 to the power 2 cube into 2 square, for example. So here, since the base are same, so you will write 2 for one time and you will add these two powers, 3 plus 2. It will be 2 to the power 5. Okay, and you can solve it. You can multiply 5 times 2, so you can solve it. Okay, and if you want to take is a negative, for example, 2 to the power minus 3 into 2 to the power minus 2, then also see, it will be base common, minus 3 plus minus 2. It will be 2 minus 3 minus 2. It will be 2 minus 5. It will be 1 by 2 to the power 5. It will look like this. And again, you can multiply 5 times 2 into 2 into 2 like this and you can find the value. Okay. Now this is all about first law. The second law is a to the power m is divided by a to the power n. In this case, in the first one there was multiplication was there, a to the power m into a to the power n. In that case, when the base was same, exponents were different. So what we did, with the same base we will add the exponents. Now in this case, here we have dividing. A to the power m is divided by a to the power n. Here also base are same and the powers are different. So in this case, what you used to do, the base we will write one time and the notation, or you can say this one, exponents get subtracted, means m minus n. Example, let's take this example: 2 cube is divided by 2 square, so it will be 2 3 minus 2, so it will be 2 to the power 1 means only 2, or let me write like this: 1 equal to 2. So this is the second law. Now come to the next law. The next law is third one, this one: a to the power m into b to the power m. when the two base are same, different, and the powers are same, or you can say the exponents are same, then what you will do? Then under the same power we will multiply this one, means a into b to the power m. So example, if we take suppose 2 cube into 3 cube, so what we will write? 2 into 3, because they are two different base but same power, the exponents like this. So 6 to the power cube. In this way we can write. Okay. Now come to the next one. If a to the power m is divided by b to the power m, in this case it is look like this: a to the power m by b to the power m. So under the same power we can write like this. Okay. For example, suppose 3 cube divided by 2 cube, then in this case 3 cube by 2 cube, it will be 3 by 2 whole cube. The answer will be like this. Okay. Now come to the last law, is this one. Whenever a number is having to the power 0, then the answer will be always 1. Example, if you write 2 to the power 0, it is always equal to 1. If you write 100 to the power 0 equal to 1, it is always equal to 1. Any number to the power 0, it gives you equal to 1. So this is all about law of exponent. Now, how to write a number in standard form? In standard form, the number should be like this: m to the power n into 10 to the power any integer, or you can say m into 10 to the power n. It's like this. So in standard form we will write m into 10 to the power n, where m is greater or equal to m but less than 10. For example, if I want to write, suppose I have given two numbers. One number is suppose 8, 3, 2, 6, 1, 9, 7, 5, 8. How many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits we have. So this is a very big digits, but we have to write in standard form. Standard form. How we will write? We have to write this thing in m into 10 to the power n. So let's see how we can write. M, the size of m is what? It should be greater or equal to 1 but less than 10, means it should be a single digit number. So right now we know that here is 9 digits, the decimal is here. If we want to shift the decimal towards here, suppose if I write 8.3 2619758, if I shift this decimal just in between 8 and 3, now this entire value is in between this, is following this criteria or not? It is less than 10. See, 8.3 is less than 10 and 8.3 is greater than 1. Am I right? But how this decimal will come here? Earlier it was in this place at the end of this last 8. Now we have shifted this decimal to in between 8 and 3, means how many place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 place. It means what we did here, 8, 3, 2, 6, 1, 9, 7, 5, 8. We have divided how many place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can write like this. This 10 to the power 8, or we can say 1, this much. We can write like this, no? This one. 8, 3, 2, 6, 1, 9, 7, 5, 8 into 10 to the power 8, because 8 zeros are here. Here also 10 to the power 8. This 10 to the power 8 is used up to shift the decimal from this point to this point, means from here to here. So this decimal is used up. Ultimately this will remain as it is, so 10 to the power 8. Now this number is expressed in the form of standard form m into 10 to the power n. M, which is in between 1 and 10. See, 8.3 is in between 1 and 10, and into is there 10 to the power n is our 8 here. Now if somebody gives you like this 0.00000056 like this 0.0005 like this, it is very much less than 1, but we have to make this number m which should be in between 1 and 10, means single digit number. So we have to shift this decimal to this place, means how many numbers we have to shift? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's take 0.00000056 into 10 to the power 8 divided by 10 to the power 8. So this 10 to the power 8 will be used up to shift the decimal from right from here to here, means it will be 5.6. This will be used up, so it will remain as it is 10 to the power 8 equal to 5.6. It is 1 by 8 into 1 by 10 to the power 8. It will look like this, 5.8 into 10 to the power minus 8. As I told you in earlier, 8 to the power minus m equal to 1 by 8 to the power m, or 1 by 8 to the power m will be equal to 8 to the power minus m. Same thing, 1 by 8 to the power m equal to 8 to the power minus m. So this is the standard form where m is in between 1 and 10. 5.6 in between 1 and 10, and into 10 to the power minus n. N is an integer, as I told you earlier. So we can have any value of n, positive or negative. So I hope you have understood all the laws and the standard form of this equation. Thank you.